I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken keema at home using an easy method. This recipe is perfect for anyone looking for a quick and flavorful meal without much fuss. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your fresh ingredients to the final garnish, ensuring a perfect dish every time. Get ready to create a wonderful meal in about 30 minutes, perfect for any day of the week. For our easy chicken keema, you will need 1 pound of ground chicken. Make sure to have 2 medium onions and 2 ripe tomatoes, finely diced. We'll also use 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. These simple ingredients will form the base of our incredibly flavorful dish, ready in no time. Let's get cooking. First, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Sauté your diced onions until they become beautifully golden brown. Next, add the ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until it's fragrant. Then, stir in the ground chicken, breaking it up, and cook until it changes color. Finally, mix in the tomatoes and all your powdered spices, letting it simmer for 10 minutes. Once your chicken keema is cooked to perfection, it's time for the finishing touches. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro to add a burst of freshness. Serve this delightful, hot keema with warm naan bread, soft roti, or fluffy steamed rice for a complete meal. This versatile dish is fantastic for a quick weeknight dinner or a satisfying family gathering. Enjoy the rich, aromatic flavors you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.